Hello everybody, it's Harry here from Worth, and today we take a closer look at the Rust-Off Rust Remover and the Rust-Off Plus. Now, the Rust Remover Rust-Off, it's got high capillary actions, contains liquid high effective organic molybdenum or OMC2, corrosion protection for optimum protection, and it's resin and acid free. To showcase the viscosity is extremely low on this, I've taken a rusted piece of threaded rod. I put some of the rust off in here, and now you can see how it literally creeps up on the said product. Now this will be used if you've got extremely rusted bolts, and it can creep up on the thread, and it's got excellent water displacement ability and rust removal ability, and it also provides a long-lasting protection against further rust. As you can see, it's literally climbing up the thread on this threaded rod. Now, moving from the Rust-Off, we can go to the Rust-Off Plus, and the Rust-Off Plus is H1 NSF certified. As you can see on the can itself, it's NXA free. So if you utilize this within the food industry, only the minimum amount is required. So if there's rusted bolts or nuts within the machine that need to be revamped, you can utilize the Rust-Off Plus. It comes with a directional spray nozzle like this, or a wider spray like this. But to showcase this, that's on the wider spray, or you can just use a directional spray. You can see the creeping of ability of this is great, and within the food industry, once the bolt or nut has been loosened, excess must be wiped off, so to leave a clean surface when that machine is ready to put back into production. So looking at the facility zone, one can clearly see that H1 can be used in the green zone or in the blue or the red zone. But if you utilize it in the green zone, make sure that only the least amount is used, and then from there wipe it off so it will not contaminate any food that come into contact with Rust-Off Plus. Thank you.